Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects, tracking workflows, or collaborating with a team, Monday.com is a powerful platform that can streamline your work processes. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the sign up page where you can create your account. On the sign up page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. However, there's an even better option here. Click on Continue with Google instead. This allows you to quickly authenticate using your existing Google account, saving you time and eliminating the need to remember another password. A pop-up window will appear asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use for Monday.com, then click Continue to allow access. This grants Monday.com the necessary permissions to create your account and get you started. Once you're in, Monday.com will ask you a few questions to personalize your experience. First, select the reason you are using Monday. This helps the platform understand your needs better. Next, you'll need to select your work role. For example, you might choose freelancer if you're working independently. After making your selection, click Continue to move forward. The next screen will ask you to select your initial category. This could be something like education or another field that matches your work. Click Continue once you've made your choice. This step helps Monday.com tailor templates and features to your specific industry. Now, you'll be asked to select which process you want to focus on first. You might choose something like CRM if you're managing customer relationships, or admin work if you're handling internal operations. Make your selection and click Continue to proceed. Monday.com will then ask where you heard about the platform. Maybe it was from YouTube or another source. Select the appropriate option and click Continue. This information helps them understand how users discover their service. Next, you'll have the option to add other team members to your workspace. If you're ready to invite collaborators, you can enter their details here. However, if you're not ready to add anyone just yet, simply click Remind Me Later, and you can always invite team members down the line. Now comes the fun part, setting up your first workspace. You'll be prompted to name your initial project. Enter a name that clearly identifies what you'll be working on, then click Next to continue with the setup. The platform will then ask you to select relevant columns for your initial board. These columns represent different types of information you want to track, things like status, deadlines, or assigned team members. Choose the ones that make sense for your project and click Next. After that, you'll be able to select widgets for your initial dashboard. Widgets give you visual representations of your data, like charts and progress trackers, making it easier to see the big picture at a glance. Select the widgets that will be most useful for your workflow and click Next. You'll then have the opportunity to add a layout to your initial board. Monday.com offers different layout options to help you organize your information in the way that works best for you. Choose your preferred layout and click Next to continue. Finally, you'll be prompted to list your initial projects. Enter the projects you want to start tracking right away. Once you're done, click Get Started and you'll be taken to your brand new Monday.com workspace, ready to organize and manage your work effectively. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Monday.com account and created your first workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.